Crypterium sort of explicitly is buy and buy esteemed at 10 cents. Crpt's decently intraday volume fundamentally remains at $1,107,930 in a reasonably genuinely huge manner. Backing for the in a real sense bears quite has been laid out at 9 cents. Crypterium's amass sort of most certainly shows a really descending pattern in an especially large manner, which is genuinely huge. The 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will walk you through Crypterium cost examination for now or for the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense. Especially got clarification on pressing issues. What especially in a real sense is reasonably truly transient cost expectation for Crypterium, actually explicitly is Crpt a truly wise speculation, which generally is very huge. Crypterium support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they in a real sense thought, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Crpt specialized investigation, certainly explicitly let us explicitly essentially discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which especially in a real sense is genuinely critical. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of truly whole digital money market to $1,122,112,304,788 in a kind of fundamentally large manner. In every way that really matters. Absolute exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $22,757,277,610 or so they generally thought. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33%, which truly is genuinely huge, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42% in an essentially significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52. Following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time span in an especially for the most part large manner. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP especially explicitly, is somewhere around 1.1 and at present exchanging at 46 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions basically generally show that the market in a real sense is going in a descending heading for kind of present moment, exhibiting how Crypterium support and opposition levels and so on, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, a for the most part broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that Crypterium support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Crypterium backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. In spite of mainstream thinking, support especially for the most part is a level at which purchasers by and large become a lot of sort of more truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which dealers most certainly move certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following explicitly especially are the help and obstruction levels of Crypterium. Crypterium execution, the kind of current Crypterium cost explicitly is 10 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,107,930 in the specific beyond 24 hours in a truly significant manner. As of now, Crpt generally is somewhere near 5.67% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $8,382,866 USD, which most certainly shows that Crypterium in a real sense basically is buy and buy esteemed at 10 cents. Crpt's certainly intraday volume in a real sense remains at $1,107,930, which by and large in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Crypterium value examination. Crpt cost investigation for the 22nd of May 2023 inside and in every way that really matters. Day-to-day time period truly made sense of underneath, or so they basically thought. We utilize actually genuinely relative strength index, moving sort of normal combination and disparity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving pretty normal and remarkable moving decently in every practical sense. Normal to sort of break down the future development of the Crypterium in a truly significant manner. The prompt opposition for CRPT essentially sort of is quite found at 12 cents. And a breakout from this level could by and large leads towards the kind of next obstruction, which can in every practical sense truly be for the most part found at 13 cents, showing how similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which vendors explicitly generally move extremely dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving reasonably commonly higher in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. On the really other hand, on the off chance that the bear most certainly assume command and CRPT cost in a real sense neglects to essentially break out above 12 cents, it could fall back towards the critical help at 9 cents, showing how crypterium support and opposition levels and so on in a truly significant manner, or so they thought. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid, which sort of really shows that these occasions especially generally demonstrate that the market certainly for the most part is going in a very descending heading for decently present moment, exhibiting how crypterium support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Crypterium financial backers need to essentially hang tight for any directional change over the especially everyday graph. Sort of additional appearance how the MACD line by and large is remaining beneath of the pretty truly signal line after a hybrid, which sort of certainly shows that these occasions fundamentally by and large demonstrate that the market generally is going in an entirely descending heading for kind of present moment, exhibiting how crypterium support and opposition levels and so on, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking, or so they thought. The truly in every practical sense, relative strength record for CRPT coin especially is as of now drifting at 32 for 14 days genuinely normal line, which entirely implies CRPT essentially fundamentally is simply recuperating from an oversold condition, exhibiting how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. While CRPT's Williams %R marker generally is at 75.686 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of sign in a real sense is somewhat conceivable at this reach, showing how these occasions in a real sense show that the market basically is going in a descending heading for sort of present moment, exhibiting how crypterium support and obstruction levels and so on, which in a real sense truly is genuinely critical. Ends there by and large had been an extremely regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will in every practical sense essentially go on as certainly lengthy as it for the most part truly stays in the rosy region. So the MACD line actually by and large is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, which truly shows that these occasions very demonstrate that the market truly sort of is going in a kind of descending course for commonly present moment, exhibiting how crypterium support and opposition levels and so on, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. You ought to possibly sort of gain crypto the present moment assuming you ready to basically hold it through the highs and lows of the crypto market, which truly shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, most certainly in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they thought.